If you ask any college student living on a budget what they eat when money is tight, most likely the answer will be ramen noodles. As a matter of fact, did you know that if you ate ramen noodles 3 times a day for an entire year, it would only cost you $250? And besides them being easy on our wallets, ramen noodles are becoming very trendy. So let me show you how to beef them up. We start by adding to a bowl of beef broth some soy sauce, a bit of honey, a decent amount of rice wine vinegar, sesame oil, brown sugar, chopped garlic, and some cornstarch. We give this a mix and set it aside. Then we saute some broccoli and onions in sesame oil until they're tender. To that, we add some strips of top ground beef and let it cook for a few minutes. Meanwhile, we boil a couple of packages of ramen noodles, discarding the seasoning packets. All that's left to do is add our seasoned broth to the skillet, let it thicken, and once it does, stir in our noodles. If you didn't know otherwise, you'd probably think this was from some fancy Asian restaurant. After all, the veggies are crisp, the beef is super tender, and the noodles are cooked to perfection. To get the recipe for what we call beef and broccoli noodle toss, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a noodleicious way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. That's a lot of noodles.